Yes! Get it farther. Here's perfect. Here's perfect.
I'll get it.
Good for David.
Oh.
Now she wants to get it.
Aw, good. You like the I know, right? You even know the difference. Oh. That's just hella funny. He wants that. Get that. Get that.
How do you like that?
Aw, she'll get you. She's gonna sniff your butt. Yeah, she wants that ass, Eduardo.
All day. Give her an arm. Give her an arm. No.
She does not care.
That's what she's gonna do to herself.
She's like a prostitute. Oh, she sat down.
I almost put my face. Stop it! Rape. She knows it. She's dominant. Stop. I will. You let her hump you for too long. Now she thinks she's dominant. Over. Got you back on.
This is going on YouTube.
She's like, it smells like you need a poop.
You should just sit down one more time.
I think she's gonna bite me. I'm not gonna bite you.
She's gonna rape you.
She will. If she does, I will slap her. Down. Go. Leave.
He's like, wait till he moves that other hand.
Get out. Word. Stop. Stay in a fetal position. See what happens.
Fetal position, Eduardo.
Come on, Eduardo, take one for the team.
Take one for the team.
Fuck that. Stop.
You're not a team player.
I'm not. I hate the team. How do you think I quit?
You're the all-star, according to Nahla. She's like the cheerleader. She's gonna back you into a corner. Tekken.
I think she's gonna like fart the.
Oh, she's done.
Left me alone.
She's done. Wait till next time. No one's playing games with me, Eduardo.
What are you doing? Stop. Stop. Down. On the floor. Okay.
She doesn't even care. Oh, now she wants to play with toys now.
Thank you. She stopped. Come on. That's why she probably started humping you because you stopped playing with her. Nahla, come here. Come here.
Right back around. Just let her help me one more time.
No.
Just one more time.
Nope.
Just for the video.
Nope.
Just for the views.
If it was a human, then yes, but no.
A human dog?
It's a dog now.
Man, bear pig.
And Wild Boys, I was watching it. With Steve. Fuck off. Hey.
She wants you.
What the hell? Pump your head now.
Aw, that was dirty. She just wants you, Eduardo.
Hey. She wants to hump your arm.
Stop.
My lap's so retarded on here.
He's not. Are you really gonna start? Are you? Have to start. Stop.
I'm not putting your face. Rape. Put it on a table, see what she does.
What am I gonna do?
Look for other. Just sit in your chair. Where'd you go?
I just got for
Silly.
Nahla.